start. The Sessions Judge and the Chief Judicial Magistrate must also ensure that these directions are followed in letter and spirit by the subordinate courts. Stop. Commitment to human rights and the yearning to ensure that courts are user friendly are assets to a modern judicial personality and assessment of judicial performance by the superiors must make note of such commitments of judicial officer. Stop. Even though the above directions are issued with specific reference to prosecution under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, they must be followed in all other cases also where the offences alleged is technical and involves no moral turpitude, being aggrieved with the order granting a general exemption to the accused from personal appearance before the trial court, the complainant has filed this appeal. Stop. On 17th November, 2008, while granting leave in this matter, a bench of two learned judges referred the instant case to a larger bench, posing the following question for determination. Stop. Para. One of the question which arises for consideration in this special leave petition is as to whether the High Court, in exercise of its jurisdiction under section 482 and 483 of the Code of the Criminal Procedure and or are under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, could issue guidelines directing all courts taking cognizance of offences under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, inter alia, to invoke the direction under section 205 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, and only with a further direction that summons under section 205 shall be issued at the first instance. Stop. Keeping in view importance of the question involved, as also the various decisions of this court, upon which the learned judge of the High Court has placed reliance, in our opinion, we think that this is a matter which should be heard by a larger bench.